Welcome to the Daily Inspirational Motivation Channel. If your heart feels tired, your mind feels heavy, and your soul just wants peace, stay with me. Because this isn't just a video. This is your moment of healing. You're not here by accident. Something in you wants to let go, something in you wants to move on, but something else in you still feels stuck. And that's okay, because healing doesn't happen all at once. It happens when you finally tell yourself the truth. This wasn't love. You gave your time, your trust, your loyalty, your heart. And what did you get back? Confusion, emotional silence, and 100 tiny ways they made you feel not enough. They made you doubt your worth. They made you question your intuition. They made you feel guilty for asking for basic respect. Let's be clear. You were never too much. You were just with someone who gave too little. Toxic relationships don't always come with raised voices. Sometimes they come with constant silence, with cold eyes, with empty promises, with manipulation dressed up as love. And now you're trying to make sense of the damage. You miss the version of them that was never real. You replay old memories and wonder, did I imagine it all? Let me tell you, you didn't imagine it. You experienced it. And now you get to heal. Healing doesn't start when they say sorry. Healing starts when you stop needing their apology. Because the truth is, the closure you've been waiting for, it's in your hands now. You don't need to check their profile again. You don't need to wonder who they're texting. You don't need to reread that last message over and over. What you need is peace. So block them, mute them, erase the number if you have to. And please remember, you cannot heal in the same space that broke you. Yes, you'll feel lonely. Yes, you'll miss the idea of them. Yes, your heart will ache at night. But don't confuse pain with love. Missing someone who hurt you doesn't mean you should go back. Let the pain come. Let the tears fall. Let your chest feel heavy and then breathe. Because every breath you take without them is a step back to you. Take your time. You don't have to rush into feeling better. You don't need to be strong every day. You just need to be honest. Say it aloud. I'm hurting, but I'm healing. Say it again. I was broken, but I'm rebuilding. Go back to yourself. Take that walk alone. Cook that meal you love. Play that old song you stopped listening to. And if you cry, let yourself cry. Because tears aren't weakness, they're release. You're not crazy for staying too long. You're not weak for still missing them. You're not foolish for loving someone who didn't love you back the right way. You were human. You were hopeful. You were loyal. You were trying your best with a person who didn't deserve your best. And now you're choosing you. Now you're saying, no more. Now you're taking your life back, step by step, breath by breath, day by day. You are not your past. You are not what they said when they were angry. You are not those messages they left you crying over. You are healing. You are becoming whole again. And one day, you'll wake up and realize you didn't think about them first thing in the morning. You'll hear that song, and it won't sting anymore. You'll see someone who looks like them, and your body won't flinch. That day is coming, and that version of you, that version is already growing inside you. Yes, you will love again. Yes, you will trust again. Yes, you will feel joy again. But this time, you'll choose differently. You'll love without losing yourself. You'll protect your peace like it's priceless, because it is. You'll walk away from red flags without explanation, and you'll finally understand. The love you were waiting for was always meant to come from you first. This healing, it's not just about getting over them. It's about coming home to yourself. It's about remembering who you were before they tried to dim your light. It's about becoming someone stronger, wiser, softer, and braver. You are not alone in this. Millions across the world, in the US, UK, India, Canada, Germany, are asking the same questions you are. How do I heal after a toxic relationship? How do I let go of someone who hurt me? How do I find myself again? And the answer is simple but powerful. One honest step at a time. You don't need to fix it all today. You just need to start. Start by saying, I deserve better. Start by believing, I am enough. Start by choosing, my peace matters more than their presence. Say it with me now. I choose to heal. Again, louder this time. I choose to heal. This is the daily inspirational motivation channel. And if this message touched your heart, if even one sentence felt like truth, then I invite you to share one word in the comments below, right? Healing, because your voice might be the light someone else needs to find their own. We're here every day, reminding you that healing isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up broken and brave and saying, I'm still trying, and that is powerful. Thank you for listening. Thank you for surviving. And thank you for choosing you. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here, because your story is not over yet.